Alright, let's dive into something that's honestly mind-blowing. IonQ, a Maryland-based quantum computing company, is setting up a $15 million research center in Chattanooga. Now, on the surface, this might sound like just another corporate expansion, but personally, I think this is a massive deal. What makes this really interesting is that Chattanooga, once known as Gig City for its early adoption of high-speed internet, is now positioning itself as a hub for quantum technology. It's like the city is reinventing itself for the next tech frontier, and that's fascinating. Here's the thing, quantum technology isn't just about faster computers. It's about fundamentally changing how we process and transmit information. IonQ's focus here is on developing quantum memory, which is essentially a way to store quantum information temporarily so it can travel longer distances. In my opinion, this is where the real magic happens. Today's quantum networks are fragile, information gets lost as it travels through fiber optic cables. Quantum memory could be the key to fixing that. What this really suggests is that we're not just talking about incremental improvements, we're talking about a paradigm shift in communication. But let's take a step back and think about it. Why Chattanooga? Well, the city has been laying the groundwork for this for years, with investments from local institutions, universities, and even the state. It's not just about IonQ coming in, it's about Chattanooga becoming a quantum ecosystem. From my perspective, this is a smart move. By partnering with EPB, the local utility company, IonQ gets access to a real-world testing environment for its quantum technologies. EPB, in turn, gets to be at the forefront of this revolution. It's a win-win, but what many people don't realize is that this kind of collaboration is rare. Most quantum research happens in isolated labs, but here, it's happening in a living, breathing city. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. IonQ's goal isn't just to build better quantum computers, it's to create a quantum internet. Yes, you heard that right. A quantum internet. One thing that immediately stands out is how ambitious this is. We're not even fully utilizing classical internet yet, and here we are talking about its quantum counterpart. But if you think about it, this is how progress works, by aiming for the stars. IonQ has been acquiring companies to build up to this, including one focused on quantum memory. It's like they're assembling the pieces of a puzzle, and Chattanooga is where it's all coming together. What's also intriguing is the economic angle. Chattanooga's leaders are clearly thinking long-term. Mayor Tim Kelly mentioned that this is about avoiding economic irrelevance, and I couldn't agree more. Quantum technology isn't just a niche field, it's a potential game-changer for industries, from healthcare to finance. By attracting high-paying jobs and top talent, Chattanooga is future-proofing itself. The salary for a quantum applications scientist there starts at $123,000, which is more than double the local average. That's a huge deal for the community. But here's the kicker, this isn't just about Chattanooga or even IonQ. This is about the future of technology itself. Quantum computing is still in its infancy, and there's a lot of hype around it. Personally, I think we're still years away from seeing widespread applications, but moves like this show that the groundwork is being laid. What this really suggests is that the quantum revolution isn't just coming, it's already here, and cities like Chattanooga are leading the charge. So, what's the takeaway? In my opinion, this is more than just a research center, it's a statement. It's a city betting on the future, a company pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and a technology that could redefine our world. If you take a step back and think about it, this is the kind of story that makes you excited about where we're headed. But here's the question I'll leave you with, are we ready for a quantum future? And more importantly, what role will places like Chattanooga play in shaping it? Let me know what you think in the comments below.